you looking to replace or repair a broken or old system for either residential or commercial? Looking for a second opinion or another quote on a replacement system? Do you need sales, service, and installation of new equipment? And of course, you should insist on competitive prices, fast, friendly service, free estimates, and a full 100% satisfaction guarantee, right? Well, you've come to the right place. CoolTech is different, and you'll quickly see why.
What makes us different? We're a family-owned company, and our reputation means everything to us. We offer very competitive prices, and we have highly trained technicians that will never attempt to sell you anything that you do not need.
CoolTech is a family business, but we're no mom and pop shop, far from it. We maintain a massive warehouse with the latest makes and models and an extensive custom shop to fabricate whatever your solution may require. No job is too large or too small for our team, residential or commercial. Our fleet of trucks are fully loaded and rolling out to all points within Metro Atlanta and North Georgia. Yes, we're fast. Same-day service is our norm.
Good morning. Thank you for calling CoolTech Heating and Air. Yes, we do equipment repair, and we specialize in equipment replacement and installation if that's what you need. We could come out to you this morning. Just let me get your name, number, and address. Okay, and the technician will call you when they're on their way. Thank you. We appreciate your business. Bye.
Fast, friendly, free estimates. Just give us a call.
My name is Todd Howard. I'm service manager at CoolTech. We give free second opinions, and we're very family friendly.
Besides good prices, we can also offer 0% financing. You just don't get any better than that.
We have a policy of 100% customer satisfaction. The majority of our business has come from referrals from satisfied customers.
Good afternoon, CoolTech Heating and Air. Yes, we do offer preventative maintenance plans. We can give you a free estimate over the phone right now. And how many systems do you have?
And yes, we want you to breathe easier. Do you have allergies, asthma, or COPD? If you're concerned about the air quality in your home or office, we offer the latest technologies to ensure you can improve the quality of your air. We guarantee it. And yes, CoolTech is licensed, bonded, and insured, meeting or exceeding all requirements by the state of Georgia, not to mention an A+ rating by the Better Business Bureau. And yes, we are competitively priced. We will meet or exceed any valid offer on any system we sell.
If you have any questions or challenges or just want a second opinion, please give us a call. We're happy to provide you a free estimate at any time.
Our family welcomes you to CoolTech.